All right, hey guys, it's Audrey here. I'm with my daughter, Victoria. So we have been doing hairstyle videos on TikTok, quick 15-second ones that people are really responding well to, and they're asking us to do longer tutorials because we've been doing 15-second ones, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, right? And so we wanted to sit down and do longer ones. So I just want to do a quick intro for this video to show you guys, like, these hairstyles are for moms, caretakers, dads, babysitters, grandparents that are just quick, fast, on the go. I have 4 sons that are older than Victoria. Victoria is my 5th, my last child, and I never had a girl, so
One of them is videotaping.
One of them is videotaping. It's a family thing.
One of them is watching us.
One of them is watching us. So I wanted to create just some really fun hairstyles that I never got to do, obviously, with my sons, with my daughter. She has really long hair, so I hope you guys enjoy our tutorials. They are not going to be super crazy or hard, right? And hope you guys like them. So the first style we're going to do today as our kickoff, every video will not have an intro, is we're going to do a knotted bun. So I hope you guys like it. So this is how you start off with this knotted bun that we're going to be calling it. So I always give Victoria's hair just a quick hit with a leave-in conditioner. This one is the Pantene conditioning mist, and I just give it one quick brush through. Now her hair, as you can tell, is very long, but it's also very thick. She has her mama's hair. So I want you to take the hair in the back and you're going to part it just like this. Just make 2 little sections. Don't go crazy about making sure it's directly down the middle. If you want it to be as best as you can, but this is the next step. So this is the important part, why it's very important to make sure that the hair is brushed thoroughly through, which is why I do that conditioning mist. So right away, I'm literally going to just literally knot her hair. So I'm going to take the sections and I'm just going to knot it once, just like this, go back through, and I'm going to knot it again, just right through. And again, it's so much easier when the hair is nice and clean and smooth, and you see that cute little knot there, right? So you're going to take this cute little knot right there. I'm going to take an elastic band, and I'm going to actually knot that right there, this section. And I kind of go through just twice. So there's once and there's twice, okay? So now you have these 2 little sections that are just hanging here. And you're gonna go, okay, so what am I gonna do with these? Well, what you're gonna do with these is, what I like to do is I just cross them over and I just loop them under just like that. Nothing crazy, okay? So I'm gonna do it again, because a lot of times when I'm watching tutorials, I'm like, wait a second, what did she do? So I'm gonna take these 2 sections, cross them, and I'm almost just hiding the elastic band. Just think of it like that. Just hiding the elastic bands, and I'm gonna come under here and I'm just gonna loop them back up like this. So there you go. That is literally the knotted braid. Now what I like to do is I'll add, she has cute little scrunchies, these little pink or yellow scrunchies that she loves to wear in her hair. They're from the Brooklyn and Bailey collection. But I put the little pink one in right now. Sissy, you can put your hair up a little bit like that. Now, this is the thing too. If you want, yes, you can go through. I love to do her hair just like this. I think it's just like a cute little knotted bun. Super simple. But you can go in, and what I love to do too, if like maybe I do it on my hair, if I'm going out, I'll just pull it. I'm not pulling it a lot. This is like the hair trick that a lot of the times you see braids that are really thick. All you're doing is going back in and just pulling the parts just a little bit, just to give it a little bit of height. So I'm going to show you guys how you could easily do that. You see what I'm doing? I'm just pulling the hair out just a little bit, just to give it a little bit of a, I don't know, just like
volume.
Yeah, a little volume. Good word, babes. So, and there we go. So there's the cute little knotted twist. What do you think, sis?
I love it.
She loves it. That's all that matters, right? Mwah. So here you go. Our first tutorial that maybe we'll even get like a nice zoom in. Super simple, super easy. Again, if you're 6 like Victoria, or 41 like me, or even grandma could do this, and grandma's almost 70. So there you go. Fun little knotted bun.